your girl Sephy, and today, right now, I'm in Accra, Ghana, in Sakomono precisely, and I'm going to show you the most highly demanded gated community right now in Accra, Ghana. I know a lot of you want to move to Ghana, or a lot of you want to have a property in Ghana, and I'm bringing it to you. It's actually called Alphabet City, and basically Alphabet means ABC, home sweet home. That means they're making things easy for you to enjoy this environment. They have a lot of amenities outside, but I will just take you inside for you to see. Let's go. Welcome to Alphabet City, which comprises of residential complex units ranging from 2-bedroom apartments to 3-bedroom apartments. Some of the amenities of this gated community include 24/7 security services, fully furnished kitchen, furnished washrooms, elevator, spacious living area, intercom system, swimming pool, picnic area, and several others. Another interesting factor about this property is that it is surrounded by schools, market, malls, and even the beach, and everything you need to make your life sweeter, just like the developers had in mind. Moreover, this property is listed by 𝗬𝗠 Global, with whom I am partnering to show you this property and several others which you can check on my website withsephy.com. Now that we are done with a brief introduction, let's now get inside the building, and it is done by the help of an automated key or password which is given only to the apartment owners. Go on the fifth floor. So guys, we're in the elevator, and the elevator, we are going to the 5th floor. We are going to the apartment 404. Basically, I'm just showing you samples. I told you that this estate consists of 2-bedroom apartments and 3-bedroom apartments. So I'm going to take you to the 3-bedroom apartment so that you see what it looks like. Let's go. Welcome, Akwaba. Welcome to your 3-bedroom apartment. You that is watching. First of all, what I like about this place personally is the fact that it's very aerated. There are a lot of sunlight, so that means you don't really need the light. That means you don't really need artificial light, so you save up on light bill. Now that we are done with the living room, let me now take you to the bedrooms. This apartment, as a reminder, has 3 bedrooms and 2 washrooms. And the master bedroom is in, so that means it contains its own washroom. So this was a 3-bedroom. So now I'm taking you to the 2-bedroom apartment. Let's go. Hey, by the way, I forgot to show you. There's a telecom that you can use to call the security or any other apartment. So, welcome to the 2-bedroom apartment. I can disappear now. Perfect. So here is the 2-bedroom apartment, and it is basically the same as the 3-bedroom apartment I just showed earlier. The only difference is that the kitchen is kind of connected to the living room, and the size of this apartment is a little bit smaller. But aside that, it's practically the same. The bedroom, the living room, and the washrooms are the same. So we are done with the empty apartment tour, and now I want to take you to the showroom downstairs so that you have an idea of what the finished apartment will look like, plus how this gated community will look like when they are done with the project. So let's go, and we will use the stairs because I've been using the elevator all this while so that you see how clean they are. So here is a demo of the complete estate project. That means that this is what it is going to look like when they will be done. And I will say they are 70% almost done. And I will advise you, if possible, if you want to purchase this property, you should do it now before it finishes, because when it finishes, the price will definitely skyrocket, even though now it is almost all taken. Let's now go and see an example of a furnished apartment which you can achieve by yourself or with the help of the estate developer on demand. That was a brief summary tour of Alphabet City Estate developed by 𝗦𝗢𝗔𝗟 and listed by Sephorafondop Global. The apartments here starts from $94,000 with a flexible payment plan that can suit your own preferences. You can reach out to know more about this property and several others through my website www.withsephy.com. And just in case a website gets crowded or you have difficulty maneuvering the website, you can reach me through my social media handles and more preferably my email, which is withsephy@gmail.com. And then through Seso Global, with their expertise in real estate in Ghana and Africa, you will be able to know a lot and possibly get your dream house in Ghana and Africa. We have come to the end of this video and I hope you enjoyed it. In case you did, please leave me a thumbs up, that's like the video, and also leave me a comment so that I will kind of know what you like and what you don't like. Please, I beg, subscribe. See you next time. In fact, very, very soon. Bye. Hello, hi. Hello, hi. Hello, hi. Demanded and most luxury. No. High demand. Let me relax. See, and bathroom. And you have, in fact, I feel like I'm stuck. Yeah. Where are they? No, it's 4th floor. Sada?
Where are we going?
How are we going?